Hello friends, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today in this video I am going to show you how to enable the full screen display in this device. Actually, if you enable the full screen display, you can hide the navigation button from the bottom tab. That means you can hide the recent button, home button and the back button. So let me show you how to enable the full screen display. For this, go to settings and scroll down, tap on additional settings, then tap on system navigation. So here you can see two type of system navigation buttons and gestures. To enable the full screen display, select the option gestures. If you want to learn how to use this display, then you can learn, otherwise cancel it. Now you can see that navigation buttons are hidden from the bottom tab, right? So let me show you how to use this one. So to go to back page, just swipe inwards from the right side or swipe inwards from the left side. Okay, to go to the recent application, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. To go to the home page, swipe up like this. Just swipe up. Again, I will show you. To go to back page, swipe inwards from the right side or swipe inwards from the left side like this. To go to home page, swipe up from the bottom tab like this. To go to recent applications, swipe up from the bottom tab and hold it. So simply in this way you can enable and use the full screen gestures on this device. So hope you guys enjoyed this video. Thank you for watching. Thank you. Bye bye.